Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So this is just a random lockdown video. Last time when I was live, then some of you recommended that I should create videos from home. So I thought that would be a good idea to even document this whole journey of being locked down. I don't remember the last time that all of us were in a lockdown. So I think this should be interesting. So I'm going to take you through my day. So I just woke up and now let's go and get some breakfast. For breakfast, we had some really ripe bananas, so I thought of making pancakes. And it's very easy to make. All you need is banana, some wheat flour. I used wheat flour instead of a rice, and cinnamon and eggs. Now you can use one or two eggs. I just used two eggs because I like it that way. And to this, just add some milk. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all you need to make your batter. And while this is getting ready, Amo thought he will make some tea for me. I am actually the tea drinker in the house. He usually likes coffee. But yeah, this is how he makes tea, guys.
So first of all, this is not a Kevinter's promotion. It's just our jaggery stored in this. So use jaggery powder instead of processed sugar.
So here is the pancake batter ready. Like I told you, I used wheat flour. You can also use oats if you like. So yeah, this is my pancake. I wouldn't say that my pancake making skills are really good, but that flip though. Anyway, the pancakes turned out to be nice. This is pancakes with honey and this one is with chocolates. Yeah, and that's me always stealing from his plate. Who can relate? So that was the breakfast scene. Honestly, it was so heavy. I had three pancakes and I don't think I can have lunch now. It was so heavy. And I'm more than around four and he thinks the same. So anyway, the plan right now is to go take a shower and make myself look a little presentable and probably work for a bit. So like I told you, I don't have enough motivation to work these days and I'm trying to get out of it. So I think the only way to do it is to actually do it. And yeah, like otherwise I've been watching Netflix, which eventually gets really boring, especially if it is movies. Series are okay. If you have any recommendations, then leave it in the comment box below. That would actually really help us because like I told you, things are getting boring. So now let me share with you my skincare routine. Now skincare right now is a little tricky for me because I'm going through this cystic acne, like you can see here some cystic acne. I've never had this in my life, even in my teens. But I don't know, now in my 20s, in my late 20s, I'm getting this. So yeah. So what I'm going to use is first some niacinamide in 1% zinc. This is from a brand called Ordinary. Not sponsored at all. But anyway, a little bit of that. This is getting over and you don't get this in India. So I have to order it from some website that ships to India. And now no websites are shipping because of this whole situation. So a little bit of that. So I'm very stingy with the use of this. So this is niacinamide. And from the same brand, I have some hyaluronic acid. Now hyaluronic acid generally is great if you have a dry skin. So I have dry skin. So for me, I'm very stingy with this also. So that, and after this I'm going to use some moisturizer. This is a good moisturizer, but honestly this is very expensive. Faltu ka very expensive. I am planning to get some other moisturizer. This small tub, you know, like this bottle, this would cost you somewhere around 200, which is just overtly priced. Some moisturizer and then some sunscreen. Now I have something fell. Okay, I have two sunscreens, so I just alternate between them. So this one is very sticky. It's a very good sunscreen from Aveen, from the same brand as this. But I feel this is worth the money and this isn't. Even though this really suits me. And I keep going back to this, even though I say that it's overpriced. But anyway, this is very good, but it's very oily. So I think today, because I'm at home and I don't want my skin to be super oily, I'm just gonna use the other one. So some sunscreen. Sunscreen is important no matter if you have acne or if you don't have acne, you can still use it. Now everything that I used here are general products, is not for acne, but what I've been doing for acne is here. So this is glycolic acid, and this is a toner which I use only at night, and I use it every alternate days, so I don't use it every day. But this is basically like a toner. You apply and you just, let it be. So yeah, this is pretty good for acne, and I do see that my acne, it's not increasing. It's been there, but it's not increasing since I've started using all these products. It's been good. So yeah, that's how my skincare routine is. I feel like a beauty guru, guys. But my card was full, so I had to change that. But anyway, so yeah, this is what I've been using for my acne. Other than this, I use a little bit of tea tree as well. I can't find it right now, but that's something that I've been doing. Okay, so now coming to makeup. So the other day somebody was asking me about my foundation, so I have two of them. This is Estee Lauder one. This is what I use when I go out because this is expensive. And other than this, I have something from Ordinary. So there's a lot of Ordinary in this video. That's because I genuinely love this brand, and you can also go read up about it. I'll make a full video on this. I have so many products from them. Yeah, next video on Ordinary. So a little bit now because I'm just at home. So I think I'll just use tiny bit. So usually I use a brush to apply, but today just this because I'm at home. And it doesn't matter. So now you may ask, when I'm at home, why do I need to even apply this much or like a BB cream or whatever? So that's because I constantly shoot, and when you're shooting, so I shoot for Rel, TikTok, even for my Instagram. So on camera, all the blemishes, everything that you have on your face or your body, it just shows up. So for that, I do need to do a little bit of makeup. I don't do a lot, but yeah, a little bit. So other than this, now probably some eyeliner. Okay, I really can't do like this, guys. I'll see you in a bit. Now let's see what the chef is up to. What you making?
Just putting together a salad.
So what salad is this?
We have some lettuce, some carrots, some green peppers, some chicken sausage, some pomegranate, and a variety of stuff for dressing. Put all of it in, and quarantine goes.
So it's been a while that I vlogged. So after our lunch, we just finished watching the movie, which was actually pretty good for a change. And yeah, then Amod went for a nap. I really don't nap in the afternoons because I kind of wake up late. So I get my 8 hours of sleep at night itself. And then yeah, I had some calls. Actually, I'm getting coached to be a coach these days. So for that, I need to be on calls and coach people and get coached. So yeah, that's what I was doing. It's very interesting. I'll talk about that a little later when I have a little more experience. And now I got some tea and I have this beautiful view. By the way, the view from our balcony is actually pretty good. Let me show you. So right now it's around 7 o'clock and I look a little sweaty. That's because I was practicing a dance, and that's because my friend Visha, who's also a travel blogger, she told me that she wants a clip of a lot of travel bloggers and vloggers dancing just for something that she needs to do for a video. And yeah, I thought I'll dance. But if you know me, you know that I really don't know how to dance. So wish me luck, guys. So she sent us this music. I'm not going to play it more because then this video will be copyrighted. But anyway, I need to go and dance and I'll show you my funny dance.
That's all right.
So that was my workout for the day. I usually do something or the other. I do some aerobics or something in this room now. I've practically converted this room into my space. This was earlier my office, but now this is where I work out. Otherwise, I used to go to gym, but since now that is not an option, I have this mat over here. I do something or the other. Like sometimes I just search on YouTube for some kind of workout, and they have pretty good workouts actually. So yeah, that's been up. Now I think I should get going and probably make some dinner. So let's go to the kitchen. I don't know about you, but dinner for us is usually leftovers. And on that day, we had some roti and dal. So we thought of making some boils. So for that, we have some broccoli and carrots. And I love this combination just with some salt and pepper. This tastes so good, you guys.
Okay, so what next?
Now we need to drain this using this and toss this. I feel like such a chef. I think this video has turned out to be a cook with me video. But anyways, the next step is to just toss this, and it's very easy to do this. All you have to do is just add some olive oil. You can use whatever oil you like. We like olive oil. To this, add some pepper and salt and some herbs of your choice. It's totally up to you, and this tastes really good. Trust me.
So no meal is complete without some roast cow ande. So it's going to go in the same pan.
And while this is getting ready, we also heated up that dal that I was talking about. We also have rotis to go with this, and that was our dinner. So that was the day, guys. Pretty random. I wanted to keep it as real as possible. So here you go. So yeah, if you like this video, give this video a like and also consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.